I'm going to show you how to build trust with strangers so they want to buy your network marketing products, okay? Now, this is the biggest key for you to get more sales. All comes down to this one word right here. This is the one word that's helped me be able to attract over 6,500 people to my network marketing opportunity and products, because trust is so lacking in this world today. And if you can build up trust, people will actually want what you have to offer. But that is the key here, is how you actually build trust with people. So I'm going to share with you 3 things to help you do just that. So let's get into it. By the way, my name's Cody. I help network marketers grow their downlines online using social media, automation, AI, and funnels. So if those things interest you, make sure you subscribe to this channel. You'll get more free trainings from me in the future. It's your way of saying thank you as well for giving away these free trainings. So let's get into it. So there are 3 things that you need to do in order to build trust with people, okay? This is what I recommend that you do. So number 1 is you want to create content, okay? Content is key, okay? Content is the foundation of everything that you're doing online, okay? Because people don't know anything about you, and if you try DMing them, or if you try, talking to your friends and family, they have no perspective. They have no like context of like who you are, how you can help them, right? They're immediately skeptical. Everyone's immediately skeptical. So what you want to do is create content online. So this is again free content where you're giving out value. When you give out value, there's this thing that happens called reciprocity, where people will want to give you something in return for when you give them something. So they're naturally going to be drawn to you because they're like, wow, this person's giving out information on how to improve my life. And this is really key. You need to understand like the pain points that people have, the problems that they have, because when you create this content, they'll feel like you're talking directly to them. That will increase the value that they have, and they'll immediately start to be drawn to you. Okay, so that's step number 1. Okay, and this is kind of like the awareness stage, right? Like people are just barely becoming aware of you. They don't know you. They don't like you, right? They don't trust you. But if you can provide value, they'll become aware of you. They'll start to like you more, and they will ultimately start to trust you, which are those 3 major things. They know you, like you, and trust you. Okay, so from there, after you start creating content, what you want to do is create a lead magnet. Okay, now if you're not familiar with what a lead magnet is, it's a free guide, it's a free thing. And I help all of my clients create a 1-page lead magnet. Okay, it's like concentrated value in 1 page that helps people understand that you understand them, right? In the lead magnet, you basically tell them, hey, this is where you currently are. This is all the problems that you're having, and this is where you want to be, right? This is your future state of where you want to be with all your goals, your desires, right? And let me show you how to get there, right? You're bridging that gap of like, hey, this is what you need to do in order to get from where you are to where you want to be. And that's inside the lead magnet. And just by like creating that roadmap, so to speak, of like, hey, this is where you are, this is where you want to be, they immediately start to trust you because they see that you see, and they understand that you understand, right? They know that you know that there's a path that they want to be on. There is a route that they need to take, and you understand their current situation. If you could just do those 2 things, right? Like people will just be drawn to you. They'll be like, I want you to help me get from here to here. Now notice, we haven't talked anything about the network marketing products. Okay, this is where a big problem that network marketers have is they start talking about products online, and people don't care about products. People care about solving problems. So in your content and in your lead magnet, you want to be focused on solving their problem, right? What is it the problem that you solve? Okay, do you help people, whatever it is with their finances, maybe to trading, or maybe something to do with the forex or crypto. Maybe you help people with their legal problems or help them from future problems there. Maybe you help them with their fitness or their beauty or their relationships, right? There's lots of problems that people have, and they don't really care what product will help them solve the problem. They just need to know that it actually will solve the problem. So that's what we want to be talking about in our content and in our lead magnets. It's all about the problems that people have, the pain points. If you want help with really dialing down into this, I have a daily downline coaching, okay, where I send you a video every single day and you can respond back to me with a question and I'll answer it to you. It's my one-on-one monthly coaching. So you can come in that. The link will be down below. It's called Downline Daily, and you get a lot of free, amazing gifts when you join right now. So I'll put a link down below. Okay, number 3. Okay, after you've created content and you've created lead magnets, you've kind of shown these people like, hey, this is how you can transform from where you're at to where you want to be. You want to give them proof. You want to show these people results. You want to give these people results. You want to give them results, but you want to also show them other people's results. This is what this person was able to do. This is what this person was able to do. This person, this person, this person, this person. Now, this usually isn't that hard to make because you are in a group of tens of thousands of other network marketers, and there's probably some testimonials, right? Just go and grab all those testimonials, put them into a nice repository, and show up like, hey, this person was able to accomplish this. This person was able to accomplish this. And when you do that, it's going to help build up that trust that not only do they trust you, but now that they've trusted you first, they're going to actually start trusting like the process and the product that you are giving to people. Okay, that is what you're selling at this point. At this point, at the beginning, it's you that you're selling, right? And this here, you're selling the process, and then here you're selling the product. Okay, you don't want to do the product at the beginning, because if you start selling the product, they're like, oh, that product looks nice, I'm going to go and buy that somewhere else or online or whatever else, right? But if you can sell yourself first, like, you are unique, there's no one else like you. So sell yourself, because you're unique, you're different, and no one can like just copy you, right? You're different. And so if you sell yourself first, then you can sell your unique process. You're immediately set up for success. And the last little step, like, think of it like mini golf, and you're just 2 inches away from the hole. You just tap it in. You just say, hey, I know your problems, your pain points, I know where you want to go. This is just how you do it. It's just buy this supplement, buy this product, buy this thing, buy this subscription. It's really simple, really easy, and I'll help you do it, right? So if you want to learn more, make sure you watch the video that is showing up on your screen, right? Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.